Third question in exercise 9.1 in the sum applications of trigonometry. A contractor plans 2 slides for the children to play in a park. 2 slides. For the children below of the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters. So that means there are 2 slides here below 5 years. Here she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters. This is 1.5 meters. This top of this slide should be 1.5 meters. Right, this top is at a height of 1.5 meters and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees, inclined angle. Right. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have, this is above 5 years, I think. Above 5 years. Right, the slider should be at a height of 3 meters, not 1.5, 3 meters, and makes an angle of what? 60 degrees, inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Actually, my dear students, this is the length of the slide here in this case, ABC. This AC is the length of the slide, length of the slider. Right, here in this triangle PQR, this PS is the length of the slide, length of this slider here. Okay, actually this top of the slide is at a height of 1.5 meters. That means this AB is equal to 1.5 meters. Here this angle C is 30 degrees. Of course this angle B is 90 degrees. Here, my dear students, this slider, the top of the slider is at a height of what? 3 meters. So this PQ is equal to 3 meters. Here this angle Q is equal to 90 degrees and this angle S is equal to 60 degrees. This angle S is equal to 60 degrees. See, my dear students, in this triangle ABC, from this triangle ABC, what is the relation between opposite side and hypotenuse? We have to find the hypotenuse here, that is AC. What is AC here? This is the length of this slider here, this slider, first slider. So here, what is the relation between opposite side and hypotenuse? That is sine. So we should use here sine 30 degrees. So what is sine 30 here? That is AB by AC. So what is sine 30, my dear students? 1 by 2 is equal to, what is AB here? 1.5 by AC is unknown. By cross multiplication, AC is equal to 1 into AC. AC is equal to 2 times 1.5. So AC is equal to 3 meters. Okay. So what is the length of the slider? First slider. Therefore, the length of the slider is 3 meters. The length of the first slider is 3 meters. Very simple, my dear students. Now coming to this question, you can do it yourself, right? Okay, here also opposite side hypotenuse. This is what? Slider. This is slider, no? So we should find the length of this PS. So how do you find this length of this PS? Which trigonometric ratio we have to use? Here it's already the opposite side is given. So that means sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is PS. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. PQ is 3 by PS. By cross multiplication, root 3 into PS is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. So PS is equal to 6 by root 3. PS is equal to 6 by root 3. So my dear students, here this is just multiply with root 3 with both numerator and denominator. That is 6 into root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 and 6 2 times it get cancelled. That is 2 root 3. So this PS is equal to 2 root 3. See, what is PS here? This is the length of the second slider. Therefore, the length of the slider is equal to the length of the slider, second slider, which is at a height of 3 meters and incline an angle 60 degrees with this ground is 2 root 3 meters. 2 times 2 into root 3 meters. Did you understand? Right. Coming to the fourth question here. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. Just imagine this is the ground and this is the tower. You can draw this tower or this side also, right? This is the tower, this is the ground, right? Which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. So actually this is tower, this is 30 meters away from this foot of the tower. Okay. 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. This angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Again I will read. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from a point on the ground. So this is the point on the ground. Okay. This is the point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of this tower, this is tower, which is 30 meters away from the bottom of the, this is the bottom of the what? Tower. This is the bottom of the tower. This distance is 30 meters. So, which trigonometric ratio we should use here? Opposite side, adjacent side. Adjacent side is already given. So, we have to take tan 30. So from this we will write, let me write first, AB is equal to the height of the tower. The height of the tower. Okay, what is PB? PB is equal to distance between the point to the point which is on the ground to the point to the bottom of the what? Tower. That is PB. Okay. See my dear students, here now we have to find the height of the tower. So that means we should use tan 30. Opposite side, adjacent side. So tan 30 is equal to AB by PB. Opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to, AB is unknown. We don't know the value of AB. PB is 30. By cross multiplication, here my dear students, 30 is equal to AB times root 3. So AB is equal to 30 by root 3. If you rationalize the denominator here, just multiply the numerator and denominator with root 3. So this 30 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 in 30 10 times, that is equal to 10 into root 3 meters. Therefore, the height of this what? Tower is equal to 10 into root 3 meters. This is 10 into root 3 meters. So far we have solved same kind of sums only. Please write down my dear students. Coming to the fifth question in exercise this 9.1. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. Just imagine this is the ground and this is a what? height of the what? Kite. Here there is a kite here. So the kite is flying at a height of 60 meters from the ground. Okay. Here the string is attached. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied at a point on the ground. Actually, this kite is tied with a string which is temporarily attached on the ground. Here there is a point here. This is the string. Just this is string. ST is a string. This is a kite here, and the height of the kite is flying at a height of 60 meters from this ground. Just imagine this is SG is a ground. Okay. The inclination of the string with the ground is, this string with the ground is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string. Assuming that there is no slack in the string. That means here there are no slacks. That means it is tightly tied at the point on the ground. Okay. So here what we have to find the length of the string. Okay. So what is the length of the string here? What is the length of the string? Actually, this is the kite here. The length of the string is equal to ST. This is the length of the string. What is the height of the kite? This is not height of the kite. Height of the kite not. Actually, this sentence is wrong. TG is equal to 60 meters. The kite is flying at a height of 60 meters from the ground. That is correct sentence. So here this TG is equal to 60 meters. This angle G is equal to 90 degrees and angle S is equal to 60 degrees. See, my dear students, which trigonometric ratio we should use here? Opposite side and hypotenuse. We do not take this value, this SG. We want the length of the string. That means ST, string. ST is the string here. So opposite side and hypotenuse, that is what? Sine 60. Opposite side by hypotenuse is sine only, no? So sine 60 means TG by ST. TG is the height of this kite, and ST means the length of the string. So opposite side by hypotenuse. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. It is equal to TG means what? 60 by ST. ST is the length of the string. By cross multiplication here, ST, root 3 ST is equal to 2 into 60. So ST, root 3 ST is equal to 120. So ST is equal to 120 by root 3. Let us what? Rationalize the denominator. That means let us multiply with root 3 here. That is equal to 120 into root 3 by 3. So here 3 in 120, how many times? 40 times. So this is equal to 40 root 3. So therefore, my dear students, the length of the string is equal to, therefore the length of the string ST is equal to 40 root 3 meters. This is 40 into root 3 meters. Okay. Coming to the sixth question here. Sixth question in this exercise 9.1 for CBSE students. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meters tall building. Just imagine this is 30 meters tall building. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meters tall building. So this is 30 meters, not this one. Here the height of the building is not given. So this boy is standing from 30 meters. Yeah. Welcome back to my class. Sixth question in the exercise 9.1. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meters tall building. So just first we will draw a building which is 30 meters and 1.5 meter tall boy. This is 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meters tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases 30 degrees to 60 degrees. First it was the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. Welcome back to my class. Sixth question in this exercise 9.1. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meters tall building. This is 30 meters tall building. A 1.5 meter tall boy. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at it from a point on the ground. Okay. Sixth question in this exercise 9.1 for CBSE students. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meters tall building. This is 30 meters tall building. A 1.5 meters boy is standing away from this building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Actually, this angle of elevation is 30 degrees from his eyes, increases to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. Okay, again if he comes here and this angle of elevation changes to 60 degrees. Okay. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Okay. Here we have to find the distance he walked towards the building. That means, let me write first. This AB, CD, this EF, G. Here AB is what? The height of the boy. AB is equal to height of the boy. Height of the boy. This AB is also equal to CD, no? So AB is equal to CD is equal to 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. Here, my dear students, actually this EG is equal to what? EG is height of the building. Height of the building. This is height of the building. Okay. Here this EG is 30 meters. The height of the building was given 30 meters. But here this FG is 1.5 meters. This AB, CD and FG. So FG is 1.5 meters. What about EF? EF is equal to, just subtract 1.5 from 30. That is 28.5. So my dear students, here this actual height is 30 meters. The actual height of the building is 30 meters. But this EF, the length of only EF is 28.5 meters. Right. Let me explain the entire sum first. Actually, I am the boy here and standing here and observing the top of the building with some angle of elevation from my eyes is 30 degrees. 30 degrees from my eyes to this top of the building. Just I'm observing like this. Okay, and after some time, just I'm walking towards the building, and again I am observing the top of the building. But here, when I was here, the angle of elevation is just 30 degrees. But after what? I walk towards the building. This is the building. Just imagine. Just after I walk towards the building, the angle of elevation has been changed to from 30 to 60 degrees. Here it is increased. Okay. See, this angle is from my eyes to the top of the building is increasing here. That is 60 degrees. This is the second position as he walked towards the building. This is CD. He is at CD here, right? So this angle of elevation is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Okay. So this is 1.5. This is also 1.5, and this is also FG is also 1.5. Just imagine this is a what? Rectangle. Opposite sides equal, right? Here, my dear students, this angle is 90 and this angle is also 90. Okay, here first what we have to find here, what is the distance he walked towards the building? What is the distance he walked towards the building? That is AC. Let me write here the distance that boy, that is not required, the distance, okay, that boy walked towards the building, BD is equal to towards the building. This is the distance from B to D or A to C. AC or BD, both are same. Why? It is a rectangle. BD or AC is equal to BD or AC. The distance he walked towards the building is AB or BD or AC. Okay. Now, my dear students, in this triangle EAF, and I will take the triangle ECF. Two triangles I will take here. First triangle is ECF. In triangle ECF, what is the other triangle here? EAF. In triangle EAF, ECF and EAF. In this triangle EAF, what is this angle A? Is 30 degrees and angle F is equal to 90 degrees, of course. Here this is opposite side and we don't know what. In this triangle ECF, this angle C is 60 degrees. Okay. Here this ECF, this EF is 28.5. We don't know what is CF here, CF. So that means opposite side by adjacent side, that is tan 60. We should take only tan 60. We don't know what is CF here. So tan 60 means EF by CF. So tan 60 is √3 is equal to EF is 28.5 by CF is unknown. By cross multiplication, CF into √3 is equal to 28.5. So CF is equal to 28.5 by √3. So this is into √3. Just I am rationalizing here. This is equal to CF is equal to 28.5 √3 by 3. So here 3 in 28, 9 3s are 27, 1 5, 5 3s are. So CF is equal to 9.5, 3 in 28.5, 9.5 times. So 9.5 √3 meters. Okay. So this CF is 9.5 √3 meters. Okay. Now coming to this other triangle, big triangle EAF. In this triangle, what is this angle here? This angle A is 30 degrees and this angle F is same for both the triangles, that is 90 degrees. Okay, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. AF is the adjacent side. So here tan 30 degrees is equal to EF by AF. EF by AF. So tan 30 means 1 by radical 3 is equal to EF is what? 28.5 by AF means AC plus CF. AC plus CF. So this is 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by this AC is unknown. We have to find AC only here. AC means what is the distance? What is the distance as he walked towards this building? Right. See here, this AF can be written as AC plus CF, but AC is unknown, but CF is 9.5 root 3. By cross multiplication, AC plus 9.5 root 3 is equal to 28.5 times root 3, 28.5 root 3. AC plus 9.5 root 3 is equal to 28.5 root 3. Okay, now this AC is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. Okay, so here AC is equal to 28.5 minus 9.5, that is 19 root 3. 28.5 minus 9.5 is 19 root 3. So my dear students, what is the distance he walked towards the temple, towards the building? That is 19 root 3 meters. Therefore, the distance that he walked towards the building is equal to, therefore, the distance he walked towards the therefore the distance he walked towards the building is equal to 19 root 3 meters. 19 into root 3 meters. I hope you understand this question, my dear students. Please write down.